That was fun. A nice little tour of the Kimball Museum of Art and stuff. Well, it looks like I can't really look that left. I got this cord plugged in here to my camera to keep it charged, you know, but like I just can't look. I guess that much left and I'm forward, but who kind of knows, you know? Not like it's super sketchy at all, you know? Like if I tilt up, like put my head up, then yeah, I can work, but yeah, see, I put my head up like this, and I can look left and right, and be okay. But anyways, yeah, super excited. Little vacation thing going on. I'm gonna go up to Oklahoma, just because I'm so close to it right now. It's like an hour and a half away. So by my mental calculations, it's probably gonna be like, if I go from San Diego to LA, maybe it's like 100 or so miles. I'm not sure, but it says it's an hour and a half away, which is like, I'm guessing it said like 80 miles, so it'd be more like almost to LA or something. But you never know, I guess. I have to figure it out. It's Oklahoma and it's right there, you know. How can I not go when it's so close? The historic stockyards. Anyways, on my way to the stockyards in Fort Worth. Gonna check it out. Supposedly it's pretty boss. Oh, a go-kart session thing going on. Nice. That's pretty legit. Chicken dumplings. Say what? Supermercado Monterrey. So anyways, just chilling now. Chilling. Check out these stockyards. Some pictures of that. I got a little fun time at the Museum of Kimball Museum of Art, one of those two. But about this Oklahoma, I don't know, I just want to go to Oklahoma right now because it's so close. Just get a picture with that Welcome to Oklahoma sign, and probably turn around and go back because I don't really have a lot of time to go exploring and stuff right now. Maybe like a day or two, maybe, before I gotta get back to work. But definitely there's like 3-4 states that are like right close to each other. So what is there in Oklahoma? All I know about Oklahoma is Tulsa, Oklahoma, if that's the correct Oklahoma I'm thinking about. The Oklahoma City bombings, and that's pretty much my whole gist of Oklahoma, really. Not really much else I can think about, other than Oklahoma City, the bombings, and something else, which I don't know what it is. The home of... What the hell is Oklahoma the home of? What's their bird? What's their flag? I have no idea. Maybe I should find out more about Oklahoma. Not really sure what's going on with Oklahoma these days. Oh, we have entered the stockyard area. Why do I know? How do I know? Well, because there's parking signs up now. Say parking $5, parking $10. Like, what the hell is going on? Bump steer. Is that a restaurant? Is that a shop of some sort? Brick road. This is totally not the yellow brick road. But whatever this place is, it looks pretty damn cool. There's a lot of old school looking building things going on. It's not bad, it's pretty neat.